Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2018 Yamaha MT09 ABS. This is Yamaha's full-size sport standard motorcycle. Has the inline 3-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has only 6,732 miles on the odometer.